In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Trello list to another board. Start by going to Atlassian and making sure you're logged into your account. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to Trello. If not, enter your login details and complete the sign-in process so you can access your boards. Once you're in, head to the Trello workspace where your boards are stored. Next, open the board that currently contains the list you want to move. This is the source board, meaning the board where the list lives right now. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, especially if you manage several boards that look similar. It's important to confirm this now, so you don't move the wrong list by mistake. Once the board is open, locate the specific list you want to transfer. In Trello, lists appear as vertical columns across the board, and each one has its own title at the top. Scroll across the board if needed until you find the correct list. Before moving forward, double-check the list name so you're certain you've selected the one you want to move. When you've found the list, look at the top right area of that list header. You'll see the three-dot menu which opens the options for that specific list. Click those three dots to open the list menu. This menu gives you several actions you can perform on the list, including the option to move it. From the menu, click Move. As soon as you do that, Trello will open a Move dialog window. This is where you choose where the list is going and where it should appear once it gets there. The Move window usually includes options for selecting a destination board and setting the position of the list on that board. Now select the destination board. In the board selection area, click the current board name or the board dropdown so you can see other available boards. A list of boards will appear, and you can then choose the board you want to move the list to. Click the target board name carefully to make sure the list is being sent to the right place. If you work with multiple boards, it's worth pausing here for a second just to confirm your selection. After choosing the destination board, set the position for the list. Trello lets you decide where the move list should appear on the new board. Depending on the layout, you may be able to place it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the existing lists. Choose the position that makes the most sense for your workflow so the board stays organized after the transfer. Once everything looks correct, click Move List. Trello will process the action immediately, and the list will be transferred from the current board to the board you selected. In most cases, this happens right away, so you won't need to wait long. After the move is complete, the list will no longer appear on the original board because it has now been relocated to the new one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now open the destination board to confirm the move was successful. Navigate to the board you selected in the Move window and let it load fully. Once it opens, look across the lists and find the one you just moved. Check that the list title matches and that it appears in the position you selected earlier. You'll also want to verify that the contents of the list transferred correctly. Open the list and quickly scan the cards inside it to make sure everything came over as expected. If the list contains multiple cards, labels, due dates, or attachments, those should remain part of the list after the move. This final check helps confirm that the transfer was completed properly and that nothing was misplaced during the process. If you don't see the list right away, scroll across the destination board and check the board's list order carefully. Sometimes the list may be placed farther along the board than expected, especially if the destination board has many lists. As long as the move was confirmed, it should be there in the position you selected. And that's it! You successfully moved a Trello list to another board. This is a simple but useful way to reorganize projects, separate workflows, or shift work between teams without having to rebuild the list manually. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need it. Congratulations!